We were told that you could not mud on Phillips vinyl corner bead like you can Trimtex Mudset. Sounded like a challenge to us. We even got out the hopper. Here the Mudset is already up and I'm applying the Phillips bead. With both of these products, the mud was pretty messy with all of the mud holes. Paper bead I think is cleaner and a lot easier. The second coat of mud is being applied to both. From here on out, finishing is just like any other bead. Both are sanded and turned out real well. You can't tell one from another.